Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Ivana.
And I'm Craig.
And we are integrated clinical hypnotherapists, NLP practitioners, and success coaches. We help people to overcome their obstacles and helping them to really feel their full potential within themselves, how to move forward from where they are, and how to live their most passionate life.
You know, together we've got over 50 years of experience.
Quite a long time.
It is quite a long time, isn't it? And so we help people to find their most passionate life. And the beauty of all of this, of course, is the success coaches. We work with you. What we see is that we take your view of your world and we work with that. We help you to see the limiting beliefs, the anxieties, everything else that have stopped you from moving forward. You've seen this in your own life. That's all you're here, looking for something a little bit different. Yeah, and we're a little bit different. We're a little bit different because we care. We've done this for a very, very long time.
It's always good to understand where people are coming from, because what we have is these untapped resources within our deeper mind, with our unconscious mind, where we believe that we have all the resources needed to actually unlock that potential.
Absolutely.
And overcome anything that is holding you back.
There are so many things from the outside always hitting us, always taking our attention from where it needs to be and blocking us from actually going within and seeing what we truly and absolutely desire.
But if we don't start with building that relationship with yourself, for yourself, if you do not know who you are, if you do not know what you like, what are your priorities, who are you, what is your character like, how can you then relate to others? Once usually we find someone who is really being triggered with events that are happening in their family life, that causes a ripple effect to everyone.
Yeah.
So we work as a whole.
But we understand how we react and what triggers us, and that we understand also, and this is really important, that my worldview is not your worldview.
Exactly.
And that's why we work with your worldview, not ours. It's not about us making you like us. It's about us assisting you to find you in that space.
Absolutely. And when we do apply those techniques, that's when we actually have this wonderful transformation and wonderful movement forward, and you can see people's eyes just lighten up. And it's really, it's not, we are just the guides. Yeah, it's not we give them the solution. The solution is within themselves. We create that ripple effect throughout the communities to collaborate with others in the same professional field, wanting to be at the forefront of the hypnotherapy, forefront of the coaching and NLP.
Yes.
And the latest one is the hummingbird method, which even gives us a faster result.
And the hummingbird method is spectacular.
It is.
Yeah, it helps people to move from here, stuck behind a wall, to free.
We try to live our life from the first waking moment, even before opening our eyes, to have this sense is something beautiful is going to happen today. Every moment of your life counts. So we would like to welcome you into our space and looking forward to connect with you more.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you.